Feeling sluggish? It's time to sip on some vibrant, health-boosting drinks. First up, we have elderberry tea. Boil 2 cups of water with 2 tablespoons of dried elderberries and a cinnamon stick. Simmer for 15 minutes, then let it rest. Sip away. Next, let's talk about jamu, a traditional turmeric and ginger drink. Blend turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and coconut water. Boil, add lemon juice and honey. Strain and chill. You'll feel the benefits in no time. For a quick fix, try a lemon ginger wellness shot. Juice some lemons, add ginger and a pinch of cayenne. Blend, strain, and take a shot. Instant vitality. Lastly, the pineapple turmeric smoothie. Blend grated turmeric, ginger, frozen pineapple, and banana. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. So why not give these a try? Your body will thank you. Help me to grow this channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.